Hi guys! Good morning! So, Sabado na! So, close ang market. So, ito, kapag close ang market, dapat supposedly ginagawa natin is nire-review natin yung mga tinrade natin from last week. What went wrong, what went right. So, ako, I have my journal. So, sinusulat ko dito lahat ng mga trades ko. Sinusulat ko dito lahat ng mga reflections ko. And ayan, kung ginawa ko ba yung mga rulings ko kasi I have my own trading rules. So, may na-violate ba ako sa mga rules ko? Did I follow all my rules? So, ito yung journal na ginagamit ko. This is actually a 90-day journal na ginagamit ng mga student namin sa LTA. The purpose of this is to form a proper habit. Kasi as we all know, in trading, it's a system. It requires program. And yung program na yun, it is you who can make that. Kasi the only person who can follow your rule is you. Hindi ako, hindi kahit sino. So you have to make your own rule. So once you have broken that rule, regardless kung nag-profit ka or not, then you failed. Sometimes kasi ang basihan natin ng success sa trading is yung profit. But honestly guys, success and profit should be based on your rule if you followed it, kung naging disiplinado ka ba. Siyempre kapag ito sarado ang market, ang pinaka-ideal na gawin is, siyempre magpahinga ka, spend time with your family. Like ito, tingnan mo, may nag-aantay sa akin dito. Oh. And of course, i-review nyo yung mga ginawa nyo for the past week. So just so you know, before ginagamit ko kasi is Tradzilla to trace or to track my trades. Kasi mas ideal siya for me. And meron na siyang AI wherein siya na yung nag-i-interpret ng mga pinagagawa mo for the past week, for the past month. So ito yung ginagamit ko, Tradzilla before, to trace ko ano ba yung mga trades ko, kamusta ba siya. Kasi here may daily journal, may notebook na siya, may playbooks na siya. So nakakatulong talaga siya sa akin. However, since sa babash nga tayo, meron tayong mga criticism and they are suggesting na dapat meron kang MyFX book, which is na-appreciate ko naman for telling me that. That's why gumawa na ako ng sarili kong MyFX book na available for public. So here, eto, gumawa na tayo. So ito yung ating MyFX book, which is public naman to, Lady Daniely Manual Trade. So, ayan, fully verified yan. Naka-live update na yan. Nag-subscribe na rin ako dito sa MyFX book ng $60. So, eto yan. So, ngayon, nag-deposit tayo ng $2,000. Ayan siya. $2,000 din-deposit natin. Ngayon, gain daw natin was 77.79%. For our daily gain was 5.37%. For our monthly, it's 77.79%. And ang pinaka-maximum na naging drawdown natin for this week was 15%. Which is actually pasok pa rin sa ating trading rules. Kasi ako personally, hindi ko sinasabi na ganito rin sa inyo. Sa akin kasi, ang pinaka-maximum drawdown before ako mag-cut loss is 30%. So, 15% na drawdown is still okay with me. Pero nga kasi, magkakaiba tayo na risk appetite. So, hindi ibig sabihin na ako I'm okay with 30%, ganun ka na rin. Siyempre, meron tayong kanya-kanyang level of attachment dun sa pera na nilagay natin dun sa kapital, diba? So, since nag-deposit tayo ng $2,000, currently, ang pinaka-equity na natin is $3,207. So, in total, nakapag-profit na tayo ng $1,555. So, that's just a matter of 1 week since I started doing my vlog here in Facebook. So, papansin nyo, ayan yung naging journey natin. Nung August 4, we were able to generate 13.31%. Nung August 5, we were able to generate 20.28%. Nung August 6, ito medyo mas malaki yung kinita natin dito kasi we were able to generate, ang percentage Ayan pala, 39.9%. And here, 47.38% noong August 7. And dito naman sa August 8, we were able to generate 77.79% na profit. So, nung drawdown naman natin, ang pinakamalaking drawdown natin, hindi siya nagre-reflect. Ayaw niya. Wala nagre-reflect. So, in total, we had 94 trades. So, sabi dito, 67 out of 94 trades, which represents 71% yung napanalo natin. And then, 27 out of 94 trades, 929% naman ang ating naging loss for this week. So, ito yung mga naging history ng mga trades natin. Ayan. So, yung SL natin, kasi minumove natin lagi actually yung SL natin to positive. So, kahit na SL hit siya, positive pa rin siya. Kasi, nag-trailing tayo. Ayan. And based dito sa aking mga naging journal, sobrang kalmado naman ng mga trades ko. Pinasok ko ng mga trades is laging pasok sa mga confluences ko and sa mga trading rules ko. Nagka-counter trend trades din naman ako, guys. Like, say for example, ito, uptrend si gold, pero may mga sell positions tayo. That works too, pero syempre, you have to be a little cautious. You have to apply proper risk management. Syempre, lesser ang lot sizing. Pero with this In this case, syempre, ito yung ating swing setup. Talagang, ito talaga yung binibigyan natin ng atensyon na talaga medyo mas malaki ang lot sizing natin because alam natin na pasok to sa ating mga confluences and syempre sa mga rulings natin, alam natin na yung probability nito is mas mataas sa winnings, diba? So, yun guys, I'm just really happy na ayan, we were able to generate $1,330. So, kung i-compute natin to sa dollars, ayan, we have 73,150 pesos. So, this is our profit for this week. Which is actually, I'm really happy. You wouldn't be able to get 73,000 sitting in your office, sitting in your house, doing your stuff, and you're happily doing whatever you want to do. This is not something na nang-hype. This is real stories, real results. And as a content creator na merong passion to really help people na magkaroon ng knowledge like this, I highly encourage you guys talaga na gawin to kasi it has been helping me for like how many years already and I believe this could also help you. And I'm sharing this out from my purest intention to actually help. And at the same time, syempre, earn from it. So if I'm earning through courses, if I'm earning through my signals, if I'm earning through rebates, then that is because of my passion. That is because I really wanted to help people. And I believe if you have business and your purpose and your main intention is to really help people, then it's a good business. Every business na merong ultimate goal na makatulong sa ibang tao will prosper. And I believe, hindi ka naman siguro mag-business kung wala kang intention na masolusyonan ng isang bagay. When you do business, you have to think of something na, ano ba yung maitutulong ko sa kapwa ko? And nakita ko opportunity ang trading para maitulong ko sa kapwa ko. So if I teach online, if I share it online, if I make money through courses, that is because this is my way to serve people. And at the same time, make business. So for some people, syempre, they wouldn't understand that. But for me, I will continue doing what I wanted to do as long as I can serve people. So yan, pupunta man tayo ngayon sa clinic ko. Kasi I have check-up and injection. Dito tayo ngayon sa Centuria. Ayan. So just so you know, meron tayong separate na Facebook page pa ng aking asawa. And doon ang story namin ng aming journey sa pag-baby. So ngayon nandito tayo sa Centuria Medical City. Kasi dito ako nagpapa-IVF, which is sa IVF Asia Group. Kasi finally, I'm trying to conceive. Try na tayo mag-baby. So ngayon dito tayo sa clinic. We're just waiting. Hey nurse. Nag-shades ako kasi ang haggard ko. Our day 13 and we're still here at Centuria Medical Center. So, started tayo ng progesterone inject para ma-improve yung progesterone level natin. And syempre, yung mga endometrial lining. Okay na, in-injectan ako nila doc. Niruan nila ako kung paano mag-i-inject. So, since wala si Virgie, ang
Sige pa. It's fine, it's fine. It's okay to be ano. May ibang nurses gusto na nakakata. Ako mas gusto ko nakagano din po siya. Para mas madali siyang